Hello, everybody. Let's start our analysis for gold. It's end of month and it's Wednesday, 31st of May, 2023. Um, Sorry, I've been a bit late for today's analysis, but do you still have time? So there's a news coming at 3 p.m. UK time, USD high impact news, and there's a 5:30 p.m. is low impact news. We'll start with Forex Factory. As you can see, the news is at 3 p.m. here, and then we got news at 5:30 p.m. And then we got two low impact news as well. Earlier we had low impact news, but we're mainly interested in medium impact and high impact news. So let's see what's in the news. This Joel's job openings, and actually greater than forecast is good for currency. So this is the forecast, 9.41 million. And if actual if this is greater than the forecast, then it would be good for currency. There's a possibility gold will go down instead of going up. However, there's no guarantee that gold always move with the news. Sometimes news is good, but the gold is always still goes to the bullish side. So there's no guarantee on that. So make sure you manage trade properly and look at the key resistance and the support levels before you make trade, and make sure you look for evidence. Use candlestick patterns, chart patterns, and different indicators if you know how to use them. So that's it for this. And going to Dixie. Dixie is most likely go to the upside. This is the 4-hour chart. It has broken this level and it's coming down. But it seems again it's kindly become slow on this area here, kind of, and it's possible it's going to go to the upside. Next, so if the Dixie goes to the upside, the goal is possibly goes to the opposite side, to the downside. So we'll combine with the news, technical analysis, and Dixie. We can analyze the gold. So let's see how the news comes, and by looking at the gold, what the current situation in gold is. It's end of month as well, as I said. There's a strong rejection, and so definitely looking in this candle to close in a rejection point of view. So it will be rejected candle. So we can expect move to the downside after this end of the month. However, what is going to happen today? That's the question. What we expect. As you can see, that's in weekly. In weekly, we have this order block. We got this order block here in weekly. This level was broken, as you can see. This level is broken. So if it's broken, then this is the next target, but it's not going to happen overnight. So you have to go for the smaller time frame. So this is another order block in daily time frame. So this is if market breaks this level, then we can expect this here, movement to this here. And if there's another level here, we can expect the market to reject from this level. It's a daily chart. It's further analysis in smaller time frame. We can definitely see the rejection from here. And if the market goes upside, it can go probably up to this level. But the moment market is going is bullish, as you can see. So we can expect the final situation is that market can test this area. So, which is 1980 level roughly. And we've got this level as well. These are the different levels. So we trade level by level. So let's see what will happen. So this is the situation in gold at the moment. So we're just waiting for the news now, and let's see what it brings to us. It's only 15 minutes. By the time I'm recording, probably will be 10 minutes left by the time I upload it. But so that's it for now. I hope you have a good day, good trading day, and be careful. It's end of month as well, so I have to be careful. A lot of banks, institutions close their positions. So you have a good day, good night. Thank you. Bye bye.